Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm Emma.
And I'm Leo. How's everybody doing today?
Leo, before we start, I have to tell you something. Last night, my phone finished my sentence for me. In a text message. It knew what I was going to type before I typed it.
That's not creepy at all.
Right? And that's basically what we're talking about today.
A huge topic, actually. Today we're talking about artificial intelligence, or as most people call it, AI.
And I know what some of you are thinking. AI is complicated. AI is for computer scientists. But stick with us, because by the end of this episode, you'll understand exactly what AI is, how it works, and, most importantly, you'll have 8 new English words and phrases to use when you talk about it.
Let's get into it. Okay, so let's start simple. What actually is artificial intelligence?
In the simplest words, artificial intelligence is when a computer can do things that normally need human thinking. Things like recognizing a face in a photo, understanding spoken language, or recommending a movie you'll probably.
So it's not a robot with a personality?
Not usually, no. Think of AI like a very fast student. A human student reads a book once and learns a little. AI reads or sees millions of examples, and from those examples, it learns patterns. It's like teaching a child to recognize a dog. You don't explain the rules of dog. You just show the child 100 pictures of dogs, and eventually, the child gets it. AI learns the same way, just with millions of pictures instead of 100.
That actually makes it clear. Can I tell a quick story?
Please.
So a few months ago, I was applying for a new apartment, and I used an AI tool to help me write my introduction email to the landlord. I typed a few messy sentences, and the AI cleaned it up, made it sound polished and professional. And honestly, I felt a little embarrassed. Like, wait, is my writing not good enough anymore?
Oh, I totally understand that feeling.
But then I realized, it's not replacing me. It's like having a very smart assistant sitting next to me checking my work. That changed how I saw it.
That's a great way to put it. AI isn't magic. And for most of us, it isn't scary either. It's a tool. A very, very powerful tool. So now, let's get practical. Here are 5 things everyone should understand about AI in daily life.
Number 1.
Number 1. AI needs data to learn, just like a student needs books. Without information, text, images, numbers, AI has nothing to learn from. Think of data as food. No food, no growth.
Number 2. AI is a pattern finder, not a mind reader. It doesn't understand like humans do. It finds patterns. For example, if you always order coffee at 8 a.m., the app predicts you'll want coffee tomorrow at 8 a.m. It's not guessing your feelings, it's just really good at spotting habits.
Good one. Number 3. AI can make mistakes. Confidently. This is important. Sometimes AI gives you a wrong answer, but it sounds completely sure of itself. So always double-check important information, especially for things like medical or legal questions.
That happened to me. I asked an AI tool for a fact about history, and it was completely wrong. But it sounded so confident I almost believed it.
Exactly why tip 3 matters. Number 4. AI works best as a partner, not a replacement. Use it to save time on boring tasks, writing a first draft, organizing your notes, translating a sentence, but keep your own judgment in the driver's seat.
Number 5. Start small. You don't need to become an expert overnight. Try one AI tool this week. Maybe it helps you write an email, or plan a recipe, or practice a new language. One small step builds your confidence.
5 tips. And honestly, tip 4 might be my favorite. AI as a partner, not a replacement. That's the mindset.
Okay, I love this part of the show, where we use pictures in our minds to understand hard ideas.
Let's do it. First metaphor. Data is like water filling a bottle. An AI model starts as an empty bottle. Every piece of information you give it, every photo, every sentence, is a drop of water. Pour in enough drops over enough time, and eventually the bottle is full. That full bottle is a trained AI model ready to be useful.
I like that. Here's mine. Learning a new AI tool is like using GPS in a new city. You don't need to memorize every street. You just need to know your destination, type it in, and follow the directions step by step. You don't have to understand the whole engine of the car to arrive where you're going.
That's such a good one, especially for beginners who feel overwhelmed.
And one more. Notifications and constant AI suggestions can be like little time thieves. Each one steals just a minute or two, a suggestion here, a pop-up there, but by the end of the day, they've quietly taken an hour of your focus. So it's worth turning some of them off.
Great point. And to close the metaphors, think of your own brain like a phone battery. If you let AI do everything for you without ever thinking for yourself, your battery, your own critical thinking, never gets the chance to recharge and grow stronger. Balance is everything. Time for our favorite segment, the word tour. Let's review the key words from today's episode.
Word 1. Pattern. A pattern is something that repeats in a predictable way. Example. The AI found a pattern in how customers shop online.
Word 2. Predict. To predict means to say what will happen before it happens. Example. The app can predict what song you'll want to hear next.
Word 3. Confidently. This means doing something with a strong, sure feeling, even if you might be wrong. Example. The AI answered confidently, but the answer was actually incorrect.
Word 4. Draft. A draft is an early, unfinished version of something you're writing. Example. I asked AI to write a first draft of my email.
Word 5. Overwhelmed. This means feeling like there's too much to handle at once. Example. Don't feel overwhelmed. You can learn AI step by step.
Word 6. Judgment. This is your personal ability to make good decisions. Example. Always use your own judgment, even when AI gives you an answer.
Word 7. Polished. This describes something that has been improved and made smooth and professional. Example. The AI made my rough email sound polished.
And word 8. Recharge. This means to rest and get your energy back, like a phone battery. Example. Take breaks from screens so your mind can recharge.
8 great words. Pattern, predict, confidently, draft, overwhelmed, judgment, polished, recharge. Try using 2 of them in a sentence today.
All right, let's bring it all together. Today we learned that artificial intelligence is simply a tool that finds patterns in huge amounts of data to help predict, suggest, and assist us.
We learned 5 practical tips. AI needs data. It finds patterns. It can be confidently wrong. It works best as a partner, and you should start small.
And we used 4 metaphors: water in a bottle, GPS in a new city, notifications as time thieves, and rest as recharging a battery.
So here's your homework, listeners. This week, try one small AI task. Maybe ask an AI tool to help you write a message, translate a sentence, or plan your meals.
And here's our question for you. What is one task in your daily life that you would trust an AI to help you with? And one task you would never hand over to a machine?
Send us your answer. We genuinely love to hear it.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Keep learning, stay curious,
And we'll see you in the next episode.